Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is graccey. It's another chance that you have come here. Thank you for coming back to watch my channel. Thank you for loving me, subscribing to my channel here, coming back to watch my channel every day. I thank you so much. Today I've come to my friend's house here. It's a single, like 2-bedroom house. As you can see, there's some sofa sets here. It's so tiny, as you can see. Maybe you've never visited a small room like this one here. There is a TV here. There is a curtain. If you want to put some curtains here on the wall, you can put some curtains as you want. So here, we are going to cook some beef today, and this is the beef here, as you can see. I want to show you how we want to cook the beef, and we are going to use the chicken here. This is the chicken here with some charcoal. That's what I'm going to use today. So we have to already wash it. This is the sufuria saucepan that I'm going to use to cook the beef. So it is very small, but so we wanna put it over this oil now, and we shall wait it to boil as we go for the process. Thank you for coming back. We go together and we shall wait until I show you how we go all the process through. Here you may wonder, here in the village we put curtains on the door here. These are the curtains we put on the door because you may leave your door open, and if someone passes, you know, in Kiswahili we say macho hayana pazia. So someone may look inside, which is impossible. We people don't, some other people don't like that. So that's why we put some curtains here. See, the chicken is here also. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. These are some tomatoes. These are some kales here, and these are some spring onions here. After the full process of boiling here, this is my cover here. I don't have a reed today. You may wonder as to why. So I cover with another saucepan. This is the village life. When it is ready, then I'm going to put all of this inside. That is the life of an African person. If you want things to change natural, if you want them to cook together, that's what I'm going to do. Here, and this is where we keep the water. We have some jerry cans, plastic jerry cans, and this is another curtain going to the bedroom, as you can see here. Here we need like a set of sauces, two-seater and the one seater. I don't know what we call it. This small chairs, one-seater. Is it one-seater? Because this one is two-seater, like. That's it. Welcome back here. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you for coming back to watch me always. I love you all. We shall wait together, and we are to a road of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Support me here at the village as I'm struggling here. You must also support me here as a village girl here. I can improve wherever you give your comments. That's it. Pause. These are some charcoal here. Remember, here we buy charcoal with the small plastic sacks like this one here. So this is where it cooks. These are some charcoal, burning charcoal here, and some saucepan here, and the other one here. In the village we don't have, sometimes some other people don't have some lids, so that's why you're seeing me covering with the other saucepan. That's it. That's the village life. They're ready now. I don't know, we we call this. So we hold the sufuria like this. You can see. And then here I'm gonna add some tomatoes first. Oh, you want me to add the onions first? Carrots first. That's my life of cooking, carrots first. And then, oh, these are spring onions here. And then I add spring onions here. And then tomatoes will be on top. So this is the salt I'm going to use. I'm going to put some salt on top like this. And then this is cooking oil. I already measured, so I'm going to put some cooking oil on top like this. What I have to do is just to turn now. There are a lot of kids here, that's the noise you can hear. They are wondering who's cooking today here. See, I'm turning.
Mama.
So from here, I have to cover it for some time. Here, as you can see. Yeah, I think it is ready. Sorry, it is too hot. I think it is ready, so I have to turn it. I don't know whether this chair here is for cooking. I'm just sitting here. So I'm gonna put it somewhere, and then you will see it later in the video. Wow. This is it. This is it. Thank you for coming back here. I love you all. If you are new here, just subscribe to my channel, read some comments here. As you wait for another video here, we are 1,000 to 1,000 subscribers. Support me here at the village as we cook this yummy from the village. Ciao, ciao, bye.